what we're going to do is we can go ahead and just add color. We are going to do some different things to the face and then to the torso. You will for sure, we're going to be making some kind of clothing for it, but for the most part, the pants and the sleeves, hair, things like that can all be made. So if you're doing something with sleeves, just remember the sleeves will be the color of whatever. I'm going to make mine have a jacket similar to this. So again, just go ahead and color everything, and then we're going to go back in and use the texture paint to make an outfit on the torso part, okay? Okay, so I just colored everything, but what I want to do before I start doing anything else is joining these things together. So I'm just going to start off first with every part of the legs. I'm going to right click join, and I forgot to set the modifier, so make sure you do that on the modifier panel. I'm going to apply that. Then we can select these, right click join, make sure nothing crazy happened, click on these and your torso, join. Oh, forgot to do the modifier for that one. Hello. Apply that modifier, join these together. Okay, I can join these now. I'm going to join my hair, no modifier on there, to my head, right click join, and now I can join this to the bottom. Okay, so this is my Lego figure. What is this? I don't think I need this reference image anymore, or this one. I'll keep this one for now, and this is my reference for my outfit that I'm gonna make. Okay, so I have my Lego figure selected. What I'm gonna do first, looks a little rough up there, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go into edit mode, and I'm going to hover over this part and press L. Okay, there we go. So I had to have face select. So I'm selecting my torso and then my arms. Okay, that's all I want. Actually, I don't want the arms. I just want the torso, because I'm only drawing on the torso part, not on any.
Now go over to texture paint, and you should see this here. If you try to draw on it, you'll see this. It says missing textures detected. And so what we do is add that. So we'll go to texture slots, click the plus sign and select base color, and then you can change the name. Mine's going to be jacket texture. And then you can go and choose your base color. Now we're going to go to UV editing, and we're going to hover over the torso and press U, and then select unwrap. And I'll go back to texture paint.
Now what you're going to do is pick whatever color you want to use to paint with. You can use your bracket keys next to the letter P to make your brush bigger and smaller. You can change your strength here. You can also change the size of your brush here. Okay, and just start kind of drawing out whatever your outfit is going to look like. So I'm going to go all the way down there. This might be easier if you use a drawing tablet, so feel free to if you need to. And I do want this whole inside to be white, and I need to fix that. So I'm going to go ahead and change my brush. And you can see how it starts getting here on the outside, and I'm I'm not quite sure why, but we can try to fix it in a minute. I'm gonna get my, if you come down here to the color, you can get the eyedropper, pick that same color that you started off with and attempt to erase some of this, but you can see that it's also erasing from there. So to fix that, because we don't want to erase too much from there, maybe not draw up to this point. Okay. And I'm getting some right here, and I don't want to erase that. So now I have to go to my UV editing, and I'm also going to click on, because I'm getting things over here, I'm going to hover over the arm and press L, and you can see that this here is getting into there, and that's why it's not working out so great. Okay, so I have this and this. I'm going to highlight over it, and I'm going to scale it and move it over. Okay, then if I go, I'm going to select just my torso again, go back to texture paint. It's almost gone, not quite. Okay, go back to this UV editing, see why it's doing that. So I'm going to hover over my sleeve. And I guess these are the sleeves here. So I'm going to grab this. Okay, go back to texture paint. Looks like that helped the arms. Okay. Oh. I'm going to continue painting my character. Okay, so I think I have my person drawn. I'm gonna go back to layout. We're not gonna do the face just yet. I can go ahead and hide my other reference image.